Where are the most affordable areas to move to in Hamilton, Ontario? As Hamilton is known for its affordability, it offers residents, especially when you compare it to the neighboring cities of Burlington, Oakville, Milton, or out the other way to Grimsby, Cambridge, Kitchener, or Niagara Falls. But since Hamilton is so large and there's so many different areas within Hamilton, where are the most affordable areas? So in today's video, we're going to be breaking it down from the most expensive to the most affordable, giving you an idea of where you should be buying real estate or thinking about buying real estate within Hamilton. So if you're new here, my name's Matthew. This is my channel where I share everything about what it's like living in Burlington and the surrounding areas like Hamilton, Ontario. So if you're thinking about moving here, feel free to shoot me a message. I'd be happy to help you out. But other than that, let's just dive on into it with the most expensive area in all of Hamilton, which is Flamborough. And so far in Flamborough, the average sale price in 2022 is just under $1.4 million. And one of the reasons for this being one of the most expensive parts to buy in Hamilton is because you're either going to find a lot of old farm homes with a lot of acreage attached to them, or you're going to find some brand new builds sitting on large estate lands, giving that perfect privacy and security for people who love their space. Or you'll be a part of a smaller community like Millgrove that offers some great detached homes on good sized lots. And then the second most expensive place to buy real estate is Ancaster, with an average sale price in 2022 of just over $1.2 million. Now here you will still find some of those large estates with old homes as well as brand new build ones sitting on those lots. However, what we're more likely to find is those large mansions in recently built great neighborhoods that offer a great variety of not only those new builds, but also some of those historic classic buildings that have been around from when Ancaster was originally its own town. And typically you'll find these historic homes closer to Ancaster's village, or known otherwise as Ancaster's downtown core. So then the third least affordable or third most expensive place to buy real estate in is Waterdown, with an average sale price of just around $1,140,000 in the year 2022 so far. Now, if you're thinking about moving to Burlington and now also considering moving to Hamilton, Waterdown is a great hybrid as you're literally right beside Burlington. And one of the things I know a lot of residents love about living in Waterdown is while there is a few older detached homes, older high rises, a lot of development is going on in this area here with new subdivisions being built as you watch this video, providing some great opportunity whether you're looking for a newer townhome, condo, or detached home. Now, one of the things about these newer townhomes is while they are going to be a newer building, they're typically going to be on slightly smaller lots. Then the next area we're going to be talking about is Dundas, with the average sale price just being over $1 million at $1,068,500 so far in 2022. Now, this is one of the areas you'll truly notice that old world charm of those classic Hamilton homes being mixed in with the beautiful new builds going on further in Dundas. Now, Dundas sits in a valley and it's home to a lot of different mature trees lining the street. Then the next area is the fourth most affordable area to buy real estate in Hamilton, and that is Glanbrook. Now, Glanbrook has an average sale price of just over $1 million at $1,045,000 so far in 2022, and this is one of the areas that is seeing a lot of expansion, as before it was very much like Flamborough with a lot of rural farm fields and large estates. However, we've seen a lot of expansion happening here with those newer detached, semi-detached, and townhomes, offering a wide variety of different real estate for families that maybe want to get into a new and up-and-coming area. Then the third most affordable area to buy real estate in Hamilton is Stony Creek, with an average sale price under $1 million of $950,000 so far in 2022. Now, this is a great location, as not only is it perfect for commuting to work, whether you're heading down the QEW to Toronto or to Niagara Falls, But here you can also find a great mixture of low-rise condos, attached, semi-detached, and detached homes. Now there's really two main areas in Stoney Creek. You have the main area of Stoney Creek, which is down by the water, close to Lake Ontario, and then you have the newer parts similar to Glanbrook that have a lot of areas to be developed in North Stoney Creek up on the mountain. So there's a wide different variety depending on what you're looking for here. Then the second most affordable area to buy real estate in all of Hamilton is on the mountain in central Hamilton, as the average sale price so far in 2022 is $883,000. Now in central Hamilton, both on the mountain and in the next area we're going to talk about in just a moment, has the highest collection of condominium options for you to choose from. But also on the mountain here, you'll find a wide variety of different detached homes. A lot are built around those war times, and as a result, there's going to be those smaller detached homes sitting on decent sized lots with great options for you to choose if you're a young family. However, the most affordable area in Hamilton to buy is central Hamilton, down off the mountain in the real downtown part of central Hamilton, with the average sale price being just at $715,000 here, as you're going to find a large collection of condos to choose from in the downtown core. And then just steps away or blocks away from the downtown core, you have those iconic red brick homes that are sometimes over 100 years old that Hamilton is famous for. Now these are a great option as they're perfect for any investors that are looking to convert a detached home into a duplex or triplex, or you can find them updated with all modern finishings inside, ready for a family to call it home. So there you have it. Those were the most affordable areas in Hamilton, Ontario, from least affordable to most affordable. If you're thinking about moving to Hamilton and want help from a professional, feel free to shoot me a message. I'd be happy to help you out. And other than that, if you're thinking about moving to one or two of these different areas in Hamilton, the next video I'd recommend you go check out is my video breaking down the top cons of living in each of these areas here. So you can find that video right here to go learn about each one of these areas and the lifestyles they provide. Other than that, I look forward to seeing you in the next video, and I hope you have a great day.